Cool 3D experiences have been around since 1939 at the New York World's Fair. And now, engaging 3D experiences are everywhere, which mimic the real world. So, why are you still designing in 2D? Check out these compelling reasons for switching to SolidWorks 3D CAD. To begin, 2D drawings can often be difficult to interpret. Is that a hole or a shaft? SolidWorks 3D CAD makes your design easy to visualize, so even non-technical staff can provide feedback. 3D allows you to find quality problems early in the design process by performing virtual tests. Next, it's easier to evaluate multiple design iterations in 3D to arrive at a more innovative and proven solution. Bottom line, SolidWorks 3D CAD allows you to improve product performance, ensure product reliability, increase innovation, and reduce time to market. But the transition from 2D to 3D can seem daunting. How can you make that transition easier? Start with a plan. You can avoid common challenges when switching to 3D by simply being prepared. Training and support are paramount. Consider the 20+ years of learned training available through SolidWorks and its many resellers. With My SolidWorks, training and support are just a click away. And there are thousands of skilled users eager to share their knowledge through user groups and online forums. Today's SolidWorks 3D CAD tools are easier to use and more intuitive, a major factor in reducing the learning curve so you can get up and running faster than ever. Hiring staff skilled in SolidWorks 3D CAD is easy. They can kickstart the transition process. And SolidWorks offers professional certifications, which are a valuable resource for your team. And what about the challenge, or should we say perceived challenge, of all that legacy data? SolidWorks has the resources to help transition data and resources to minimize the legacy data needing to be transitioned. The biggest benefits reported by companies that have transitioned to SolidWorks 3D CAD include fewer design errors, shorter development time, easier changes, easier collaboration with customers and supply chain, easier internal collaboration, especially with non-technical staff, more innovation. So, what are you waiting for? Drive innovation while improving your bottom line. Contact SolidWorks today and step into the world of 3D CAD.